Today I'm checking out this chain and binder set that the good folks at Garvee sent over for me to check out. So let me get them out of the box and let you see what this set comes with. All right, and these are the chains and binders out of the box. You get two 10-foot long chains, as you can see here, spread out on my flatbed. They are 3/8 inch size chains and they have a working load of 6,600 pounds. That's the working load limit. And they're G70 rated. So 3/8 G70. Then you got two binders, and these binders can handle 3/8 to 1/2 inch chain. Very nice size hooks. And they have a working load of 9,200 pounds and looks like breaking strength of 33,000 pounds. So 9,200 pounds is the working load. You want to be underneath that for each binder. But these will be great for strapping down my skid steer, my farm tractor, the baler, whatever it is I'm carrying on this flatbed that's mechanical. There's a time to use straps, and then there's a time to use chains. And anytime I move equipment or anything of heavy duty weight and size, I always go with chains and binders. These are the ratcheting type binder. So you flip this little tab here, like that. Now it will ratchet one way, either loosen or tighten. Then you go and flip it the other way, and then that one does the opposite. So you flip this one side to loosen them, and you flip it the other way to tighten them, and it makes it really easy. You got a really nice long leverage bar here, so that way you can really tighten these things nice and tight. And that is what you want. You do not want your equipment moving. But yeah, I really like the set. I like the powder coating on it. Should keep them from rusting. And then the chains also are coated, so that should help prevent them from rusting. I have a chain box at the front of my trailer where I keep all of these in, and I can't stand it when my chains are all rusted out. So it's nice to have these that should not rust. But all in all, great set for a great price. I really like them. I think you'll really like them. And I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.